Hello students, today I am going to teach you subject geography of class 12. This is paper 2, book India People and Economy and chapter 4, Human Settlements. In this video, I will explain about what is human settlement and what are the two main types of settlement. So see the book. Human settlement means cluster of dwellings of any type or size where human beings live. So cluster means group and dwellings means where the people live, the houses. Then group of houses where people live and they can be of any type or any size. They are known as human settlement. And second important thing about settlement vary in size and type. Means they range from a hamlet to metropolitan cities. Settlement डिफरेंट साइज का हो सकता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स का हो सकता है. एक स्मॉल छोटा हो सकता है, बिल्कुल एक हैमलेट की तरह छोटा स्मॉल, और एक बहुत बड़ा लाइक मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़. सो settlements could be small and sparsely spaced. They may also be large and closely spaced. Means settlement छोटा हो सकता है और sparsely जिसमें हाउसेस दूर दूर हो सकते हैं. दूसरा सेटलमेंट बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है लेकिन हाउसेस बहुत क्लोज हो सकते हैं एक दूसरे से. सो the sparsely located small settlements, they are called villages, and people of that area, they are engaged in agriculture or other primary activities. And on the other hand, the larger settlements, which are termed as urban settlements, where the people are engaged in secondary and tertiary activities. So you come to know that there are small and large settlements. Small, they are known as rural settlement, and larger, they are known as urban settlements. Now what are the basic difference? See the first point. So in the rural settlements, the people are generally engaged in primary economic activities. Primary economic activities means they are engaged in agriculture, fishing, forestry, etc. But in the urban settlements, the people do the processing of raw materials and manufacturing of finished goods, and also they provide services to the people. So the basic difference is their activities, economic activities, that are different rural and from urban. Now second, cities act as nodes of economic growth. Cities are the center of the economic growth, and they provide goods and services. And they provide goods and services to the people of rural settlements also, and also to the urban dwellers, the people of the urban area. And in return, what the people of the rural settlements do? They provide food and raw materials. The people of the rural settlement, they provide food and raw materials, and the urban settlements, they provide goods and services. Then how this work is done? This functional relationship between the urban and rural settlements takes place through transport and कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क। अब इन दोनों के बीच ये वर्क कैसे होता है, फंक्शंस कैसे होता है, तो इसके लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट और कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क से। नाउ थर्ड डिफरेंस, रूरल एंड अर्बन सेटलमेंट differs in terms of social relationship, attitude and outlook. अब थर्ड basic difference, that is the also the basic difference in their social relationship, in attitude and outlook. How rural people are less mobile and therefore social relations among them are intimate. The rural people have strong relations with the people of their community, of their locality. But in the urban areas, the life is complex, fast, and social relations are formal. There, in the urban areas, people have no time to mix with other people, to make social relationship. So that is also the difference between rural and urban settlement. So in this video, till in the next video, I will explain types of rural settlement.